fuck's sake. Whatever. Yeah, I go out last night, right? So my mate's just turned 18. He's like, yeah, let's go strippers. Let's go to town. I was like, fuck, whatever. And he's a DJ, so we were chilling at some fucking shithouse club out in Palmerston. And he was like learning how to MC. There was like 30-year-olds everywhere. It was terrible. And they were all like fucking dancing like, it was just shocking. So we go to town. Oh yeah, my fucking pants rip. That was fantastic. Phone runs out of battery, so I had to come home, change my fucking pants. There's flies all over me. I'm done. Come home, change my pants. Oh, it's all the way over there. I'm hungover as fuck, man. This is... Alright, fuck. Just go out, get to town, go to a club for a bit. Then we go to the strippers around the corner. It was a bit of fun. Got my first ever like little lap dance. It was actually pretty cool, despite the sweaty boobs. I'm fucking sweating already. I've been out here for 5 minutes. Let's check these out. Ugh. Oh, for fuck's sake. Not today. I'm done. As soon as I'm done this, I'm having the world's biggest fucking shower. I'm never doing this hungover ever again. Fucking tell you what. I just want to get out of this fucking joint, man. I'm sick of Darwin. And all these people be like, Trophy, stop whinging. I'm like, bruh, you don't know what it's like. Try living in this fucking... Are you serious? The fuck is that? What is going on here? Oh, I'm not fucking the Elastic Man or some shit. Alright. Fucking hell. I'm having a smoke. I don't know who owns this fucking bike, but it's been here for ages. Just fuck it off. Any Korn fans out there? I love listening to Korn when I need that. Why did I throw it? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Recently been getting a lot into servicing the bike on my own, man. It's so much cheaper. I'm not going to pay fucking $600 for a minor service or to do shit I can do in like fucking 10, 15, 20, 30, 50 hour, however long minutes. It's fucking dodge jazz. Order the parts yourself and then just teach yourself. It's exactly what I did, and I've saved so much money. Oil filter, air filter, easy shit like that. That's fun. This shit's fun, man. Just not when you're hungover. Bleeder cap's gone. There's been a crime spree in Darwin. Bleeder caps have just been vanishing. These ones have heaps left on them, but I thought the other day, you know what, you can suck my dick, bike. I was going to go, right, and buy these from the shop up here, because I like supporting local brands. Ring them up. I'm not going to say which one, but it's one I don't usually, which motorbike shop it is, because I don't usually go to this certain motorbike shop. Rang up, put me on hold for fucking 10 minutes. Oh yeah, what are you after, mate? Oh yeah, just some brake pads for an R6. Oh yep, let me check. Puts me on hold again for another 10, 15 minutes. I may or may not be exaggerating. Oh yep, we got some in stock. $69.95 each. At which point I just fucking cracked up laughing, told him he's dreaming, and thrusted the air. I hate this part right here. I hate this part right here. I think one of the reasons lately I've been doing a fair bit on the bike is because I'm sick of people calling me fucking names and shit, and I hate not. Get fucking pissed off, man. I like doing hands-on shit, and a lot of people don't think I'm like that. A lot of people I know in real life. IRL. Like, you're such a pussy, you wear skinny jeans. Fuck, get fucked, man. Shove it up your ass. You wear skinny jeans. Must be a faggot, wears skinny jeans. Fuck yous all. See these hands? They're fucking man hands, bruss. Oh, skinny jeans. Look at this shit. Fuck yourself. This is what I pay a ridiculous amount of rent up in Darwin. This is all the shed space I have. Unbelievable. Can't wait to get out of this fucking hole. Alright, I'm going for a shower.